Another Las Cruces man facing more charges of child abuse going back 4 years.
But his case was handled differently. Action 7 News reporter John Cardinelli joins us in studio now with the details surrounding this case. John.
Yeah, Darlene and Doug, this man, 38-year-old Rogelio Perez Montoya, is alleged to have been sexually abusing a 12-year-old relative since 2018. But as we were looking into the case, we noticed something unusual. On Tuesday, Rogelio Perez Montoya was arrested and booked into the Doña Ana County Detention Center. He faces 60 counts of sexual contact with a minor, according to court records.
In this case, each charged by law enforcement, by the district attorney, is considered a separate violation, a separate crime.
Perez Montoya made his first appearance in court Wednesday. During the hearing, he was given a $50,000 unsecured bond.
With the recent bail reform movement in New Mexico, cash bonds, things like that are pretty much disfavored.
In 2016, New Mexico voters approved a constitutional amendment to almost entirely eliminate cash bail. However, bond can still be assigned, according to KOAT legal expert John Day.
Even though these are sort of falling out of favor, the judge can still impose a cash bond if he or she thinks it's appropriate.
And I'm the only one in Albuquerque that's practicing my profession on a full-time basis.
Gerald Madrid is one of few bondsmen left in New Mexico.
Outside of Bernalillo County, it varies county to county. Eastern part of the state, more conservative part of the state. There are some counties where judges are setting secured bonds, which means backed by actual cash or backed by a bondsman.
But Perez Montoya was given an unsecured bond. So what does that exactly mean?
When I see judges setting unsecured bond, I ask myself, why didn't you just release him on a promise to appear? It's about the same thing. An unsecured bond is nothing but fluff, what I call fluff, and it's a promise to pay at a future time. I've yet to see the state of New Mexico collect on an unsecured bond.
And Perez Montoya did post his unsecured bond and is no longer in custody. However, KOAT legal expert John Day says the district attorney can still at any point file a preventative detention hearing to try and keep him behind bars until trial. I'm John Cardinelli reporting, KOAT Action 7 News.
John, thank you. Court records tonight show no pretrial detention hearing has been scheduled. Perez Montoya is scheduled to appear in court in July 19th.